Hello, friends. Welcome back to our colorful world of learning and fun. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to explore 5 delightful fruits. Are you ready? Let's dive in and discover the vibrant world of fruits together. But before we begin, remember, you can always select subtitles in your preferred language to enjoy the journey even more. First up, we have the vibrant red strawberry. Look at its beautiful heart shape. Strawberries are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins. They are perfect for making yummy smoothies or simply enjoying as a sweet treat. And guess what? They're not just red. You can find some that are pink or even white too. Next, let's say hello to the banana. With its bright yellow color, bananas are easy to spot. They are a fantastic source of energy and are great for our muscles. Did you know that bananas come in different sizes? Some are small, while others can be quite long. You can eat them as they are or use them to make tasty banana bread. Look at this shiny, crunchy fruit. It's the apple. Apples come in various colors like red, green, or yellow. They're not just delicious, they also keep us healthy and strong. Remember the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? Well, it's true! Whether you like them sweet or sour, there's an apple for everyone. Moving on to the orange. Oranges are round and come in a bright orange color. They're full of vitamin C, which helps keep us healthy. You can either enjoy them as juicy slices or squeeze them into a refreshing glass of orange juice. And here's a fun fact. Oranges can float in water because they have air pockets inside. Last but not least, let's meet the grapes. Grapes are small, round, and come in different colors like purple, green, or red. They are not only tasty, but also make a perfect snack. Did you know that grapes are used to make yummy things like jelly, raisins, and even grape juice? We had a fantastic time exploring these wonderful fruits. Don't forget to try them out and see which one becomes your favorite. And for more exciting adventures in learning and art, stay tuned to our channel. With our drawing tutorial videos, you can practice and develop your art skills. Let's go!